Hey everybody, what's up? Thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of New Jersey, which is my birth state, my home state. That's where I'm from. So I'm excited about this one. And you guys, this process is really easy. Click the link in the description below. I've seen so many videos on YouTube that have like chapters and are really long, and I honestly have no idea what they're doing because the process is so fast, so easy. We're gonna have this LLC filed in about 5 minutes. So again, click that link in the description below and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's gonna take you to the Taylor Brands website. And Taylor Brands is amazing because they have everything business related on here. You can get your LLC and EIN number super fast. So we're gonna click New Jersey. Okay, and now you're going to type in the name of your business to see if it's available for an LLC. So for me, I do eyelash extensions. I'm going to type that in. Okay, and what stage are you currently in? You could just select where you are at the moment. And what industry do you fall into? So for me, like I said, I do eyelash extensions, but whatever it is that you fall into or a category you think you might fall into, you could just type a letter and you'll see so many options come up and they get really specific. So you will more than likely find what you're looking for. And what is it that you're offering? You're either selling a physical good or a service or both. So you can click whatever applies for you. If you want to click both, that's fine. And are you planning to hire employees? So for me, I don't have employees, but let's just say I file my LLC and then I decide I do want employees. That's totally fine. You know, it's wherever you're at the moment. If you do decide to hire employees, you won't have to refile your LLC. Nothing will change with that. So don't worry about which one you choose. And then you're just going to type in your zip code of your business and then where are you serving customers? So you're either selling online at a shopper store or you're on the go. So like I mentioned, I'm mobile, I'm on the go, but let's just say I had a website and I wanted to click online too. If you have a shopper store, you can click this as well. And today we're just gonna click LLC, so make sure that's highlighted in blue. And then I also want you to click EIN. So your EIN number is really important. It's basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes. You're gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, you will probably need an EIN number. And you guys, they have all this other stuff. So if you wanna go back in later and check it out or select any of these now, you can. Like if you need a license or a permit for something, or maybe you need like a logo made, you could select any of these here. So I love that they have kind of everything in one spot. This is just a survey asking what we've done already. We can skip it. And then you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, Taylor Brands is offering a free 12-week coaching program. I love this. First of all, it's free. If I can learn something that helps me make more money, why not, right? But if you want to hit no thanks, that's up to you. All right, so now you're going to type in your personal information. And I usually use my business email here. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, would you like Taylor Brands to help you open your EIN or do you want to do it on your own? So if you decide to do it on your own, you can save that amount right there. The only thing is you have to do it through the IRS website. And in my opinion, I just feel like government websites are not that good. I feel like they're kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. And you can also only file it Monday through Friday. So you just have to wait till the next week. If you want to do it, you can't do it on the weekends. Personally, $99 for Taylor Brands to do it for me. Pretty much me just clicking this button here means I'm done with it. I don't have to think about it and I don't need it on my to-do list. So for me, it's worth it. And as far as being a registered agent, now a registered agent is basically like a more complicated term of who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in New Jersey, you will be your own registered agent if you're opening the LLC in New Jersey. If you don't live in Jersey and you live in some other state and you're opening an LLC in Jersey, then you may need to appoint someone that lives in the state. And as far as the address goes, I always use my home address for any of this stuff. I'm not bombarded with spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. It's just to contact you in regards to your LLC. So we're just going to click, I will appoint a different registered agent. And again, if you're in Jersey and you're opening an LLC in Jersey, you will be your own registered agent. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, and every single year you have to renew your LLC. So what happens if you forget? You have to pay a lot of fines, late fees, and just more money that we really don't want to pay for, right? So make sure you renew it every single year. I'm going to try to save some money, so I will handle the compliance on my own. But if you think you might forget or you just have a lot going on, Taylor Brands can do it for you automatically every year. That would be this option here, and it's $199 per year. So something to consider. Okay, and would we like a branding toolkit? I'm just going to click no here. And you guys, to get your LLC in just 2 days from now, it's only $49. I feel like it's worth it. I want my LLC as soon as possible. But if you have some time to wait, you can get it in 2 weeks without that extra fee, which is still pretty quick. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So just hit, I'll figure it out myself. Would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and this is an amazing service they offer. So let's just say, you don't really have a system set up yet for how you're going to organize all your finances, your invoices, bookkeeping, or maybe your business has grown really fast and whatever system you're using is just not as organized as you want it to be. Taylor Brands can set you up with a program so that you know where every single cent is going into your business. You're going to be super organized. And yeah, I recommend trying it out if you're really planning to expand your business. They give you a free trial and then they give you like some price plans at the end. So it's worth checking out. At the moment, my business is still really in the beginning and pretty small, so I'm going to manage my own books and invoices. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and they have a few different plans they offer. Feel free to check them out. They do have some cool stuff. But for the purpose of this video, we only need this light plan here. No need to pay anything extra. All right, and so here's what we're paying for today. So the state filing fee in Jersey is $129, and that's just the mandated state fee. That's no matter where you file your LLC. It's going to be this price. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and then we're paying for that 2-day expedited filing fee. So that's going to give you the grand total for today. After they file your LLC, then they will file your EIN number, and you'll receive that number, which is that $99. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge. That's just them creating the EIN for you. Okay, and that's it. So after you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you like your address and some other info. Like I said, I always put my home address since I'm mobile. I don't really have like a storefront, and I've never had issues as far as receiving junk mail or anything like that. It's really just for them to contact you about your LLC. But you guys, you can see how fast and easy this video was. But if you do have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. So that's it. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.